some good lights.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for another video. So today I am going to be putting up, well, I'm halfway through filming it, but I was like, I never actually film introductions. I just do voiceovers, which I'm trying to avoid because voiceovers are my least favorite thing about making YouTube videos and they take so long. But today I've just gotten back, well, I got back 2 days ago from like a week away with my boys. We went up to Noosa on the Sunshine Coast. And as you all know, like coming back from holidays, the end of school holidays, getting ready for school to go back in, it can get out of control really quickly. So the house was in a bit of a mess. I kind of got sick on the last day of the holiday, and then the first day back, I just literally spent it all day in bed. So I still have to unpack everything, do some washing, just get the house kind of picked up, and then get everything organized and sorted back in order for ready for back to school. So just the usual stuff that you've got to do, like tons of laundry, cleaning, organizing, doing a bit of grocery shopping just to get prepped and ready for back to school. So let's get stuck into it.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehaved. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Sunny side up, try to keep it cool, bending all the rules.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. I go oh, 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 oh. I go oh, 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 oh. I sing along.
You are a piece
I keep pushing myself now. I've gone for a new sound, like I couldn't get over and couldn't get over, couldn't get over you, couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. I go oh, 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 I go oh, 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 I sing along, but the look in your eyes when you.
So now that the apartment is kind of cleaned up, under control, everything's picked up, unpacked, all the washing is on the go, I went and had a look at some apartments on this day. I am looking at I'm starting at looking to move house. So just checking out what's available in the area just to move into a slightly bigger space sometime in the next few months. So I figure it's good to, just start looking and get an idea of what you can get for your money. So I thought that I might include that in some of the vlogs that are coming up, because I know that I like looking around when people go house hunting or apartment hunting. So I thought I might take you with me for a quick sneak peek at some options that I am looking at in the area. So this apartment was really nice. It had 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, but it was set out over 4 levels. There were literally so many stairs in this place. It was just crazy, and I think it would get on my nerves in the long run, and I think it would kind of drive me crazy having so many stairs to go up and down. But it was just the first one that I looked at, so we will see and we'll keep looking.
Couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. I go oh, 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 I go oh, 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 I sing along. I go oh, oh, oh.
Dessert: blackberry apple pies, custard, some crunchy slaw salad kit, baby leaf spinach, some regular milk for my kids for their cereal and whatnot, mini wraps to have with these chickens, so the chicken, the wraps, and this salad. Gonna make like chicken kind of taco things, and some watermelon because it is back to school tomorrow. So that is it, just a 1 night and 1 day grocery haul. Guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me while I kind of got my life back on track. I will be back with more videos. I just have been feeling a little bit under the weather, but I will see you as always in the next video. Bye everyone.